My Cosmo viewer box, DJI controller, video output from this Cosmostreamer. Drone is outside, going there. Unfortunately, it's dark here. DJI Flip, our test drone, and Raj from Canada will try to fly somewhere here. Yeah, it flies. Now go there. Follow me, follow me, follow me. That's right. And forward. More, above the house.
Okay, I see it's 30%, so it's not moving so fast.
Now you can turn around or something else. There is no obstacle, so you can easily go anywhere, but not far, please. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, nice. Whoa. To make next text when not night here,
Okay,
in the
yeah.
daylight. You can see the moon in the left. There is a big moon in the left side.
Oh. Oh yes.
And lake.
Yes,
Whoa,
I can
whoa,
see
whoa,
the
whoa,
lake.
whoa. Ah, it's you? Oh, okay.
Yes, it was me.
So now let's go back. Now click return to home button. Let's try this.
Return to home.
Yes.
And it should automatically go home. Oh, I can see it.
Landing.
Oh yeah, landing.
I can see it.
Amazing. Oh, I forgot to take on my t-shirt. No problem.
It's okay.